Hello, my friends. Today we are in Hanoi, Vietnam. Come along, take my hand. The sun is rising over tin roofs. Motorbikes hum their morning truths. I've got my lens, I've got my feet. Walking these lanes is bittersweet. So welcome to the city of steam and spice, where every bowl tastes like paradise. Stay with me just for a while. Hanoi's ready. Let's begin the smile. Yay! Fruit stalls glow in red and gold. Dragon fruit and mangoes bold. Bananas hanging, pineapples stacked. Every color, nothing lacks. The smell of pho, the sizzling pan, the friendly wave of a local man. This is where the magic starts, right here in these humble carts. So the food, it calls my name. Bowl by bowl, it's all the same. Perfect heat and perfect spice. Hanoi tastes like paradise. Vegetables fresh from morning soil. Herbs that make your taste buds toil. Mint and basil, lime and chili. Every bite is warm and silly. Oh, the food, it calls my name. Bowl by bowl, it's all the same. Perfect heat and perfect spice. Hanoi tastes like paradise. The street, Hanoi's flavors can't be beat. Next stop, the towers wait for me. But first, let's eat, let's eat, let's eat, let's eat. Let's eat. 3 towers standing side by side, each one with a different pride. The first is worn with faded paint, a relic showing time's restraint. The second stands in decent grace, a middle child in time and space. The third stands fresh, renewed and bright, restored to shine in modern light. 3 faces of a single street, old meets new, bitter meets sweet. Progress walks a fragile line, but every era has its shine. Now the scene shifts to the road, where market vendors overflow. Cabbage, carrots, herbs and greens, the freshest produce you have seen. Chickens hanging, pork on ice, freshly cut at every price. The butcher chops, the vendors call. Life is buzzing through it all. Fresh market, fresh heart, this is where the day will start. From the farm right to your plate, Hanoi's market, isn't it great? Vegetables stacked in wooden crates, sellers calling, sealing fates. From root to flesh, from land to plate, Hanoi feeds us all, it's never late. Fresh market, fresh heart, forget, please like, share, and subscribe. You bet. See you on the next adventure.